Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. Now students, we are going to learn a general method for the solution of quadratic equations. Take x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now, first of all, we have to make it a complete square. To make it complete square, see the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x, that is middle term's coefficient is 2. Whatever the coefficient of middle term, divide it by 2, and whatever may become, square it. If you square 1, you will have 1. Now if you add 1 and subtract this will be converted into whole square form. Now add 1 and subtract 1, this equation becomes x square minus 2x minus 3. The same equation is this with some manipulations. X square minus 2x plus 1 minus 1. If minus 1 and plus 1, if you cancelled out, you have only minus 3. So this equation is the same as this equation. Now see from this to this. If you see this is a whole square of x minus 1. And minus 1 minus 3, this will be 4, and this is equal to 0. Now take 4 to the right hand side. We have x minus 1 whole square equal to 4. Now if you take root on both sides, we have x minus 1 equal to plus minus root over 4, and this can be written as x minus 1 equal to plus minus 2. Now transfer this to the right hand side. We have x equal to plus minus 2 plus 1. This minus become plus 1. This is x equal to plus minus 2. If you take the positive sign, we have 2 plus 1 equal to 3. If you take positive sign, and x equal to have minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1 if you take negative sign. So the solution or the root of this quadratic equation, we have x equal to 3 and x equal to minus 1. This is the method for solving quadratic equation by making complete square. 2x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Here the coefficient of leading term, that is x square, is 2. This is coefficient and this is leading term. Now to convert this equation into a quadratic equation in which the coefficient of x square become 1, we have to divide this by 2. Now This can be written as, after dividing entire equation by 2, we have x square plus 2x minus 5 by 2 equal to 0. Now here the coefficient of middle term is 2. In the previous question what we have done, just we have divided this coefficient, that is the coefficient of middle term, by 2, and if you take half 2 you have 1, and what we have to do further, we have to take square of 1 and whatever may become should be added and subtracted in x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 minus 5 by 2 equal to 0. This 1 and minus 1 cancelled out. The same equation of this is this. Now this can be written as x plus 1 whole square, x square 2x plus 1. If you expand this, you will have this. Now this will be minus 1 plus 5 by 2 equal to 0. This gives x plus 1 whole square minus 2 1 2 or 5 minus 7 by 2 equal to 0. Now we have to take to the right hand side. We have x plus 1 whole square equal to plus 7 by 2. Take root. We have x plus 1 equal to plus minus root over 7 by 2. If you take here positive sign, taking positive sign, what we have, x plus 1 equal to root over 7 by 2. Now transpose this. This gives x equal to root 7 upon 2 minus 1. Now if you take negative sign, we have x plus 1 equal to minus root over 7 by 2, and this gives x equal to minus root over 7 by 2 minus 1. This again can be written as x equal to minus root 7 by 2 plus 1. Now the solution of the quadratic equation is x equal to root 7 by 2 minus 1, and the second minus root over 7 by 2 plus 1. Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now if you divide the entire equation by a, we have x square plus b by a into x plus c by a equal to 0. Now the coefficient of middle term is b by a. What we have to do? We have to take half of this, means half of b by a equal to b by 2a. And if you take square of this b by 2a whole square, this will become b square by 4a square. If we add and subtract this in this quadratic polynomial, can be converted into a whole square form. Now this will become x square plus b by a into x plus b square by 4a square minus b square by 4a square plus c by a equal to 0. Now see here, this is x square, this is b by 2a whole square, and twice of x into b by 2a would be 2 and 2 would be cancelled out. This will become b by a into x. Means this term can be written as 2 into x into b by 2a. Therefore, this can be written as x square plus twice of b by 2a into x plus b by 2a whole square minus b square by 4a square plus c by a equal to 0. See here, if you see here, this is x square plus b by 2a whole square plus twice of first and second. So this can be written as x plus b by 2a whole square equal to, this can be taken to the right hand side, this will become b square by 4a square minus c by a. Now see once again from the beginning, we have taken here general equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we have divided entire equation by a and this converted into this form. We have added and subtracted this b square upon 4 square minus b square upon 4 square. In this, to convert it into a complete square, so we have got this, and this is the whole square of x plus b by 2a. Now we have transposed these terms to the right hand side. Now first of all we have to simplify it and then move further. Now we have x plus b by 2a whole square equal to, solve this, simplify, 4 square and a LCM is 4a square, and you have here b square minus, if you divide this by a, you have 4a and 4a multiplied to c, this will become 4ac. Now take the root on both sides. We have x plus b by 2a equal to plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Now this can further written as x plus b by 2a equal to plus minus 4a square root is 2a. So this will become b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Transpose this to the right hand side. We have x equal to minus b by 2a plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now this fraction and this fraction both have the same denominator. So we have x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This formula, this is can be used as a formula, and this formula is given named after Sridharacharya, Indian mathematician. So this is also called Sridharacharya formula. Sridharacharya formula. Now in exercise 5.3, all the problems are given and you are asked to solve quadratic equations by using this formula or simply by using Sridharacharya formula. Now let us learn how to use this formula to solve a quadratic equation. Let us take a quadratic equation: x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. This is a simple equation. Now compare this equation with general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now here the coefficient of leading term is 1. Compare this. You know how to compare two polynomials of the same degree, x square, ax, constant. So a would be equal to 1 and b minus 5 and c equal to 6. Now you have to use Sridharacharya formula, that is general method for the solution of quadratic equation. So Sridharacharya formula is x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now put these values in this formula at appropriate place. So we have x equal to, here is minus b, you can have minus, and value of b is minus 5, this is minus 5, plus minus root over b equal to minus 5 square minus 4 into a equal to 1 and c equal to 6. Now here will be 2 into 1. Solve this. We have x equal to minus and minus multiplied, it would be plus 5 plus minus root over this minus 5 square become 5 5 25. So this is 25 minus 4 6 24 over 2 into 1, this is 2. Okay. Now x equal to 5 plus minus, this would be 1 upon 2 and root of 1 is 1, and therefore x equal to 5 plus minus 1 upon 2. With the positive sign we have a value of x, and with the minus sign we have other value of x. Therefore taking positive sign, it would give what we give, x equal to 5 plus 1 upon 2, and this will be 6 by 2 equal to 3. Similarly, By taking negative sign, we have another value of x. So taking negative sign, we have what we have, x equal to 5 minus 1 by 2, that is 4 by 2 equal to 2. So the solution of this quadratic equation is 3 and 2. This is a quadratic equation and these two real number 2 and 3 would satisfy it. Therefore, these are the solution of this quadratic equation. Taking an example, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Now, first of all, compare this equation with general form of quadratic equation. We have ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a polynomial and this is also polynomial. So compare terms ax square, x square. So coefficient of these two, if both are same, a equal to 2 and b equal to 3 and c equal to 1. Here we have written general form of quadratic equation and we have supposed that both the equation are same. So if you considering both equation are same, coefficients of both the equation would be same. So therefore a equal to 2, b equal to 3 and c equal to 1. Now the Sridharacharya formula is minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now put this value in this formula at appropriate place to get the value of x for this equation. So we have x equal to minus 3 plus minus 3 square minus 4 into a equal to 2. So 2 and c equal to 1. So c equal to 1 upon 2 into 2. Solve this further. We have x equal to minus 3 plus minus this is 9 minus 4 to the 8 upon 2 to the 4. Solve this further. We have x equal to minus 3 plus minus this will become root 1 upon 4 and this can be written as x equal to minus 3 plus minus 1 over 4. Now take positive sign. We have a value of x and again we take here minus sign only, we get the other value of x.